Joe Ebusiafo King Kobe, Miamini, Masafa Makunya, Savati Asie, and yet not I know how we do it. Where for fun I'm watching, please subscribe for us. Please subscribe. What I say? Subscription. So please subscribe for us. Inti yep, Shema unim said Kumasa Asante Kotoko nsem de etwegu no na ya hwe na ye biebiem na ya ba bemu na mo a munya ntiase na munya ne yi no ya chechire mu said de tie no but and there it's not about trending news and you person hwe so far so good signings at Kumasi Asante Kotoko aye no you person hwe players no wa you person like the mamo the total number of players are as at now on the 3rd of October, Sunday, Kotoko number of players being on my signing. Yeah, Becky Communion album. You know them already, but a bit more 8 me confused. Kaka, what as the BC Kotoko assign 9 players, BC Kotoko assign 10 players. Just to be a candidate, what I say, auntie. Yeah, per se, a kikaboom nation. Total number of players are Kotoko assigned this season. Auntie, without wasting much time, the Fancy channel. And he said, yes, Tatia, on Kotoko, your first signing of the season, yes, signing club, no, announced, you know, it was Richmond Lamptey, a midfielder from Inter Allies. Obekaya and go winner Echeguno, but long range shot be at the share. Had to folk, Sago, no, very memorable of him. And I was table long range, you know, he's a player or table long range, you know, into young players and the qualities. How will this player improve Kumasi Asante Kotoko? But unfortunately, no, he's from Inter Allies. Also, Inter Allies in Sunni Ash Gold. Game no boy neko ended 7-0 in favor of Ash Gold. Now, yaje omode match fixing scandal at Tosan game no so na GFA egusu ehwehwem. In fact, GFA kwa charge Ash Gold about 8 players for match fixing. Inter Allies players no so no, they are not safe. It's ama player we know. Ne future with Kotoko no stable for now because we don't know what GFA will bring. Until I'm a player we know but he's top quality. What I say is top quality. Or you'll be a ultimate shot. Yeah, bobo na to the long range shot if he once a poo name. Until let's keep our fingers crossed and hope say GFA or more Ash Gold in talent game no. This guy will not be charged for any misconduct or any match fixing in what you say. So if he's free there, he'll be a good addition for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Richmond Lamptey for you. And that was our first signing. And the second signing too. Second signing was Maxwell Ajimai. He's a center back. Maxwell Ajimai, center back. Now don't forget this player no about 27 games. Maxwell Ajimai about 27 games. Or shared 3 goals and 3 assists and 3 most valuable player like game no man of the match or 3 times and on 1 yellow card per about 27 games. Obi or center back no or day chiro. But Oje 1 yellow card in 27 games. Defender or shared 3 goals, 3 assists. Or saying man of the match no on 3 occasions. Nidin Eddie Maxwell Ajimai. I think he will also be a good addition. Maxwell Ajimai. Inti there no. Inti o to us the third announcement by yes this young chap akola IFN Clinton Opoku. Dodo na FN Isio Mercy. Clinton Opoku Isio Mercy. Then the nickname for omotade friend no. Don't forget Obi from Mercy. It means you know what you are capable of. Dribbles, befifa fan kofon tem. Then now boshenia there you have goals, you have dribbling skills. No what I say. It's Isio Mercy Clinton Opoku, and he was the 3rd addition. Kotoko announcing this season ahead of the preseason Kosono and Clinton Opoku no, that's the addition. Kotoko we are doing some projects. Projects is like Nkolano Musano. We get them, then we bring experienced people. Experienced number ba Amankuna Mukwala and Mona Omeba. And in fact, they've already signed. Omunam Kwansu Kromoba. And Kotoko Peso blended the youth, no, young chaps, no, with the experience. So the beya a do their experience for no better to me or more. What I say, but Uncolano is for a long term project. Omu befife no mu the traditions of Kotoko, on who the principles of Asante Kotoko, what the fans expect of them. Near there, they need like our man near Ponsani technical team, no, headed by coach Prosper na Ogum no. Okay, say let's go for this chap. Nti Clinton Opoku ne die eno no. Sio Messi ne die eno no. The fourth signing no Samuel Boateng. This guy is a striker, a Division 2 striker. Sesia no wa back Division 1 mum. Nti sesia no oshe 18 goals. 18 goals in 15 matches. Division 2 player on the future stars a qualify or mobile the Division 1 in Division 2 player be a Division 1 player, but Kotoko assign as you say 18 goals in 15 matches. How many players can make this achieve this feat? What I say, how many players now bet me 18 goals in 15 matches? This player it will be a good addition. Only if so bebana what we repeated your year in Division 2 now, it will be a good addition for Asante Kotoko. So Samuel Boateng was our fourth signing. The fifth signing is a player called Isaac Opong. Sunyani Nema Isaac Opong. On the name and position, I say Obo wings, but sign forward. Wing forward. Silent and about the 11. But we push you about tackle. Yes, that's it. Isaac Opong Sunyani Nema. So the young chap, so it's another young chap. We so swakwa we na ye blend omo nkolano blend with the mpinifo no said the tie no ewo ho sa pepepe enti oto aso so our sixth sign was in the name of Samuel Appiah, the right back fan say Christopher Nete mo position ho sa no ho na oda right back with me move forward. Akwa say obo 7 bo 2 to the ababa bo 2 open so obo 7 so obo amount the old terms na you use no. So say friend no right back or right wing, we no right wing back into okonenim samba nechi the Samuel Appiah. That's strength now dey ba no eno no no the tell from Mediama or a regular starter or starting games bebre wo Mediama or fit to quite the best starter. That's Samuel Appiah for you. And he is also a good addition for Asante Kotoko. Oh share the other ones now. There was someone called Augustine Ijapon. Augustine Ijapon. So they are we are hoping said that actually he will be for future projects. No, but boy, na build the future projects. No, what I say. Samuel Appiah ways no usakra na wabe joining. Enti interested there because he's a center back. Samuel Augustine Ijapon, center back. And so ne no. And a last hour crane Agadas. I friend of Samu. I friend of Richard Boedu, midfielder for Mediama. In fact, on a year anchor of Mediama on midfield no. On Justice Blee. Yetiminya Richard Boedu. Emane be supporting midfield now. You can imagine Kotoko our first 11. What I say, it will be superb this season. No, Kotoko will do wonders. It's okay players now assignment. Asante Kotoko so far so good. We've signed 8 players. Now 8 players. Now say Kotoko we are letting 8 players also go. 8 players now 4 Emmanuel Jemfi, Anabila, Habib Mohammed, Adon Frempong. These 4, their contracts have been terminated. But Emmanuel Jemfi, one sad thing they say, they be about Kotoko training grounds. Emmanuel Jemfi, they be about Dakojachi. he's pleading with management to add him back. Emmanuel Jemfi, sadly, he's not okay with the decision. Emmanuel Jemfi, Otaba that could debut bad at Dakojachi. He omo man nye train no ojina baby no ohwe no kohun we Miss Remo bra why near the but unfortunately the decision has been made and we have to stick to our decision. We have to be firm what decision I am making until Emmanuel Jemfi, you like politics, what I say, that's your weakness. Through you, some people will get some information. I want to say, cook money I did to me fresh now once and then you are giving information just like that. Jemfi, we're a captain of the side, you have to be confidential. And same you should know your new management. Say, women management, the old regime is gone. It's not coming back. It's an old regime member, Frau. Hey, Jemfi, you say we cry what sign 2 years and you cry na me cry me sign me no. Then the issue will come up. Almost nipa no so tea na wa catch radio station bi. E ba koka agenda for no, wa catch case bin for, wa catch Franco Nauru. Now mo dey bet na ho. My sources is telling me that Emmanuel Jemfi is refusing to sign. Na be bra and same P na be social media no be a Canadian. So it is through you, Emmanuel Jemfi. People are getting information in Kwaso Munya. And it's sad, but we need to keep the internal affairs internal and private. You understand? And the and so and the Jemfi, the Habib Mohammed and Nabila Frimpong, Adum Frimpong, you know, Moko, and another 4 players. Samuel Frimpong, Osman Ibrahim, Sarkodie, and Patrick Esiam. We are giving them out on loan. So 8 players are going and 8 have been signed. These are the players in Chombeba. Players in Chombeba Kotoko. Mukwala from Uganda, he will join the team in Dubai for preseason. We have Justice Blay. It's most likely said Justice Blay is coming to join Asante Kotoko. We also have this player, Steven Amankona. Also, it's most likely so. But the deal about Amankona, and this is how it came up. It's likely say Amankona then there is done and dusted on Obeba. Amankona the Obeba Kotoko needs because Brekum Chelsea are expressing interest in Osman Ibrahim and another Kotoko player. Kotoko will give them 2 players. No, somebody Amankona mine. We will add money. Take these 2 players on loan. We will add money, and then we take Steven Amankona. That's the deal at Kotoko. Any Brekum Chelsea, Richie, Enche, no so beba out. So Steven Amankona, welcome to Asante Kotoko, Africa Club of the 20th century. So these are our new signings. Kotoko, we have 23 players in camp now. 8 are gone. 8 have been acquired. And this is old players now. They have 15 players and we old players. And the tier of horses here. Any latest be a baby piano. Mati and can ever has it. Midin Edikin Kobe high Fablo zone. Unyan subscribe ya. Subscribe mine. Why? Unyan subscribe my name here. Why? Let's grow together. A high family in the King Kobe. For porcupines by porcupines.